2 is the score. Ibanez gets the first ball. Retamar goes middle. Bunga also sent back. Ordiales will try and he will score.
Two tough angles.
That's right. Ordiales again.
He's the youngest also, yeah. Oh, good take.
Retamar tosses Captain. That's a point. They go back row.
Oh, good take.
So second try for Thailand. Chaiwat straight. Budin, unable to get it. Chaiwat is denied. Quesada is rejected.
Yeah.
Oh, and it's a name. Will set up the play. Goes to Napadet. Ibanez with a save. Set. That's kept alive. Oh, and a free ball. Chance here for Thailand. Bunyarid back sets to Napadet.
Oh.
Kasanya. That is Retamar tosses Budin again. V-League. This is the first leg. Free ball. Thailand sets up the play. Anurak. Disquitado flies. Disquitado again. Ups it to Budin on the off speed, and it works. Retamar goes to Ramirez. Lorenzo able to pick it up, backs it to Budin, saves a point, saved. And again, Captain will saying he wants another crack at it. This time to the left pin, Anurak is. Oh, what a hit. 12 points, 5 kill blocks. Looks at the other side, goes to Anurak, who's been. Ibanez pumps it, Captain off the block. Back sets, single block. Retamar goes to Captain. Save. 16-24. Here it goes. And
well, unang-una sa lahat, sobrang pressure ako kasi, alam mo yun, yung pinalitan kong pwesto kay Kuya Bry, and itong game namin talaga ito, win or lose, lalaban namin para kay Kuya Brian talaga kasi siya yung heart and soul namin eh. So, pinagpipray talaga namin na okay yung results niya. So, yun lang, enjoy ko naman yung pagka-start ko kasi yun lang, tagal ko hinintay yung opportunity na to. So, nabigyan na ako kahit papano, feeling ko nag-perform ako ng maayos pero hindi pa yung 100%.
Paano lang tinake ng team yung nangyari nga kagabi na unfortunate accident?
So yun nga, sabi ni coach namin na whether Kuya Brian will play or not, we will still finish the game para sa kanya. So masakit para sa amin, as in, hindi kami nakatulog ng maayos kasi alam mo yun, kailan siya talaga yung kapitan namin eh, tapos siya yung siya yung icon namin lahat eh, tapos ganun mangyayari. So yun talaga, nag-usap-usap talaga kami na para kay Kuya Brian tong game namin.
Sa'yo naman, kamusta itong buong experience ng paglalaro sa national?
Well, sobrang masaya, sobrang enjoy, and of course, sobrang nakakapagod din kasi, you know, coming from a new system, new coach Angelo, yung una, hindi namin siya magets, but in the end, naiintindihan namin na, grabe, ito pala yung high level na coach, yung Olympia na coach. Sobrang ganda, siguro, sabi niya nga, hindi pa kami high level, give us 1 more year or 2 years, basta yung process, aayos laro namin kasi sobrang okay si Coach Angelo. Wala talaga ako masabi.
Ano lang magiging mindset papunta dun sa second leg sa Indonesia?
Siguro ngayon, pahinga muna kami kasi pagod na talaga lahat eh. Ang dami ng injuries kasi nag-all out talaga eh. Pero rest kami siguro isang araw, then next, panibagong leg na naman. Itong leg 2 tapos na to. Wala na to kung natalo kami sa Vietnam, wala na yun. Pagdating doon, magre-ready kami, tatry namin manalo. Wala naman masamang mangarap eh, try lang ng try.